Assuming you're searching for Algorand cost expectations estimate for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Algorand Algo will go from here on out. We will examine the previous costs of Algorand Algo and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally unthinkable. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Algorand outline. Algorand is a public blockchain stage that was made to address versatility and security issues in other blockchain frameworks. It was established by Silvio Micali, a Turing Grant-winning PC researcher, and sent off in June 2019. The Algorand group comprises of experienced experts from different ventures, including blockchain, money, and network safety. A few vital elements of Algorand include versatility. Algorand utilizes an agreement calculation called unadulterated verification of stake, PPOS, that permits it to deal with exchanges at a high throughput, making it reasonable for enormous scope applications. Security. Algorand is intended to be secure against assaults by malevolent entertainers, incorporating those with huge processing power. Decentralization. Algorand is a decentralized stage, meaning it isn't constrained by any single element. This guarantees that the organization is impervious to control and misrepresentation. Algorand has various possible applications, including store network, the board, advanced personality, resource following, and decentralized finance define. It has likewise been utilized as the basic stage for the improvement of various decentralized applications dApps in these and different regions. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Algorand is $0.1881 and Algo is right now positioned #61 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Algorand is 8,172,398,288 with a market cap of $1,537,627,246. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1.64% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the Algo with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. From most recent 7 days, the Algo was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.9%. Algorand has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. Algorand value expectation 2024. The cost of one Algorand is supposed to reach at least degree of $0.2266 in 2024. The Algo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.274 with a typical cost of $0.2362 all through 2024. Algorand value expectation 2025. Algorand cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $0.3372 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the Algo cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.4043 with a typical estimate cost of $0.3466. Algo value gauge for 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Algo, in 2026 the cost of Algorand is estimated to be at around a base worth of $0.4961. The Algorand value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.5883 with a typical exchanging worth of $0.5135 in USD. Algorand Algo value forecast 2027. Algorand cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $0.6833 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the Algo cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.8467 with the typical gauge cost of $0.7038. Algorand value expectation 2028. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2028 the cost of Algorand is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $1.04. The Algo cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $1.19 with the typical worth of $1.06. Algorand value expectation 2029. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2029 the cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $1.49. The Algo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.78 with a typical exchanging cost of $1.53. Algorand Algo value expectation 2030. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at least degree of $2.08 in 2030. The Algorand cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $2.61 with a typical cost of $2.14 all through 2030. Algorand value conjecture 2031. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at least worth of $3.06 in 2031. The Algorand cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $3.59 with a typical exchanging cost of $3.17 all through 2031. Algorand Algo value expectation 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Algo, in 2032 the cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at least degree of $4.49. The Algo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $5.42 with a typical exchanging cost of $4.65. Algorand value forecast 2033. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $6.26 in 2033. The Algorand cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $7.70 with a typical exchanging cost of $6.49 all through 2033. Algorand value figure 2040. The reception and true use instances of a digital money are similarly imperative contemplations. Projects with useful applications and broad reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Algorand cost figure for 2040, Algo is expected to arrive at a most extreme value worth of $129.10 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of Algo coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $102.93, while the typical cost of the Algorand for 2040 is projected to be $110.46. Algo value figure for 2050. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is critical, however opinion can be flighty. Looking at current market elements can offer bits of knowledge into potential cost developments, yet taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2050, the most extreme cost of Algorand is supposed to reach $166.04, with a typical exchanging worth of $148.97. The base cost is projected to be around $140.72. Algorand value estimate facts. What amount does Algorand cost in 2025? The cost of Algorand will increment as additional financial backers engage in the undertaking. In year 2025, Algorand will be worth about a normal cost of $0.3466. What is the Algorand cost today? Today, Algorand Algo is exchanging at $0.1881 with the market cap of $1,537,627,246. Is Algorand Algo a wise speculation? Algorand's worth is supposed to keep on growing, as deficiency will in general empower cost rise. If it's not too much trouble, note,